Parenting lesson I've learned the hard way. Well, so many so many lessons, no. No, sa mga first time mommies when I become a first mom, talagang trial and error. So ang pinaka basis lang is experience kasi wala naman libro para sa mga mommies, 'di ba? Walang parang manual. Talagang aaralin mo siya based on experience. Advice sa mga parents, from Google, kung anong food ang first food, kung kailan sila magsasalita. For first time moms talagang mahirap. Kasi you're on your own with your husband. Along the way, dahil parent ka na, natututo ka na. So natututo ka na rin sa pangalawa, pangatlo. Mga nagtatanong bakit umabot kami sa 7 children. All the children are unexpected because of our faith. Our catechist teach us to be open to life. You know, that let God do His part. Nakita namin na ang Diyos talaga ang gumagawa ng buhay. Inentrust niya itong mga bata na to sa aming mag-asawa. And all of these children are blessed. Pagkakataon na parang, kaya ba namin to, no? When these children were given to us, I felt na isa lang akong vessel, no? Isa lang, parang katawan lang ako na ginamit ng Diyos. Kasi lahat naman tong mga bata na to, anak naman siya ng Diyos eh. Siguro, ako lang yung mommy nila dito sa earth. When they grow up, when they become adults, or when they have their own families, aalis din siya sa bahay namin. Pagkakaroon na rin sila ng sariling buhay. At darating ang panahon na kami na lang mag-asawa ang matitira sa bahay. Aalog-alog na kami sa bahay. I felt that all the children I have are God's plan and He created us. Ano lang kami, katawan lang kami. And may nagtanong, paano kami nabubuhay sa dami ng anak? And sa totoo lang, no, it's a milagro to have this big family. Nung una parang, hindi namin kakayanin ang gastusin. 7 bata, 7 tuition. Siguro kulang ang 1 million, 500,000 per year, no, for their food, for their daily living, for their tuition, no? Kulang yun. Bitin na bitin. No? But you know what? God has provided for these children. Kasi nga, ang nangyayari sa amin, whenever a child is born, I got promoted, dagdag sa sweldo, ganyan. So I feel that God is providing for these children, not me. Because all this promotion, all this additional income, hindi naman galing sa akin yan eh. Kumbaga, God has provided this for us. Or minsan meron additional business or additional sales, or may mga nagbibigay sa amin ng mga ninong-ninang to support for the children, for the expenses, for the tuition, no? And I felt so loved because of the miracles that have given to us, to our family. And what are the life lessons I've learned as a parent a hard way? Isa pa is um, having these children in different batches. Meron akong college, meron akong high school, meron akong elementary, meron akong pinakabunso ko, nursery. So meron pa akong little toddler. And nung una, siguro yung una mahirap. But along the way, since nakaapat na, so alam ko na paano i-handle yung mga next batch. Ganyan. And nung una parang totally struggle kasi how can you feed them, no? Isa-isa. But after a few years na naging ano na sila, some are adults already, some are elementary, they can eat by themselves. Kaya na nilang kumain. And yung mga adult kong kid, now they're helping on tutoring, they're helping on feeding the babies, ganyan, looking after them, no? Wala kaming yaya, wala kaming helper because the big kids helps on the children. And akala ko parang forever akong magiging hands-on. Hands-on pa rin naman, but along the way, the children grow up and they are helping me somehow. And having children, being persecuted din, lalo na sa mga magulang, no? And other people, when they see me, are you, irresponsible? May isa pang nag-comment sa amin, para ba kayo mga rabbit? Anak kayo na anak, ang dami niyong anak. No, ganun. And you know what? Who cares? Why would I care? Hindi naman sila nagbabayad ng ano namin, no, ng expense namin sa bahay. Ano bang pakialam nila? No? And these are God's children. I don't care who people judge me. Although minsan masakit when people persecute you, when people think that you're just having sex and have children. No, it's not. No, it's not. We're not like that. It's just God allow us to be blessed and given us these children. And I'm happy that God entrusted these 7 souls to us. Has been securing our life for more than 20 years. And I'm sure He will provide for us for the next 20, 50 years. And I'm very thankful. And all I'm thankful, God has given me a gift 7 times. And I love you, Lord. This sunset is so beautiful. I went here because I felt how God loves us.